Brad Pheasant with another fantastic pheasant recipe. We've got the limit of pheasants in Alberta with 2 birds, so that's 4 breasts in there. And I have some poblano peppers here. What I like to do with them is put them in a bag, just give them a little shot of olive oil, and we're gonna char those on the grill. All right, oh, there's the peppers, nice charred skin. We have our pheasant breasts here. The grill is nice and hot. You can see these are thin, so they're not gonna take long. Watch them, do not overcook them. It'll wreck them pretty quick, so you gotta be careful. These are gonna cook probably 2 minutes per side max. Okay, we got high heat. You can see they're turning white along the edges. That oil that's in there, look at those nice grill marks on there. Beautiful. And we're gonna give another 2 minutes or so. And remember, dense proteins continue to cook when you take them off the grill. So take them off before they're well done, because they're gonna continue to cook for a couple minutes once they are off the grill. All right, the peppers are certainly done. We're gonna pull those off straight into a plastic bag. All right, look at that beautiful pheasant. Nice golden brown on both sides, nice grill marks, off it comes. Don't overthink it, don't overcook it. You want this nice and moist and tender. All right, we're back in the kitchen. Check out those poblano peppers. Now, if you wanted to skin them, they'll skin real easy. I kind of like the char flavor we get on these when we put them on the grill. It adds a little bit more to the dish as well. So when you take these out, you can just chop them really fine. And we'll also get the pheasant prepared. Get these, and we're just going to slice them really fine against the grain. And look at that. Perfect. Nice and moist, tender, not overcooked. So if I had taken them off the grill and sliced them, they might have been a little bit pink in the center, but because we let them sit, they are perfectly done. And you can see, I'm going to show you this with my fingers, but nice and moist. You can see the moisture coming out of it. That's what you want with pheasants. If you cook them properly, they're wonderful. So let's get the frying pan out, and we'll get our julienne peppers and onions cooked up and build our quesadillas. So that cheese will work like glue. Sometimes you want to just lift the whole cutting board, but if you use a lifter, you can bring it over. A little bit of butter and oil in the frying pan, just a little bit. I'm gonna place that in there and let it brown up nice. All right, little hint for when it's done. You can hear it talk to you. You know, if you punch your spatula into it, it'll cut clean because it's nice and crisp on the outside. That's when you know your quesadilla is ready. Quesadillas make a perfect meal, quick snack. We just cut these. You can see it's got some nice crunch to it. Give it a turn. Go like that. You can actually leave it in quarters or go one more if you want to make them more of an appetizer. And then we're going to plate this with some sour cream, a little bit of salsa. You can even use guacamole or something like that, but look at these. Beautiful pheasant quesadilla.